Smile morning, everyone. Welcome to the fourth day of Trigen Smile Meditation. Before we start today, I will make a humble request. All participants should permit Bhupinder Madam to kindly go in the floor. They should keep their questions with you, and you will be given the opportunity to ask questions. You flag it, your question should be flagged and kept, and you may ask when the opportunity is given so that the flow is not disrupted. We have many type of participants. Some are hetero, some are homo, and we here are neutral, keeping both the hetero and homo participants in mind. Today, we'll devise a method that we'll mute everyone and not permit anyone to raise the question during the session. Anyone desirous of giving or raising a question should raise the hand. You can see at the bottom of the screen.
You are welcome today in this morning session. In India, this is morning time, and different zones, different time, but we are very well connected with soul. Time doesn't matter. So we are connected, and we are here to ascend, holding each other hands. Collectively, we are flying together. Tri-origin. Tri-origin, fundamental consciousness, his consciousness. Today we have suffering in our life, or suffering mind, disease in body, because we have gone away from tri-origin rhythm. There is a tri-origin march past. Neuto, hetero, homo, neutro. Your heart is beating tap, 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 tap with tri-origin rhythm. If we allow to flow, if we allow our organs, mind to stay aligned with tri-origin rhythm, then no suffering can come. No suffering can come. Today we are focusing. Everyone these days, everyone focusing. What is the protocol for this disease? In all fields, not only in Sujog or medical field, allopathy, in all fields, what treatment, what treatment? In these days, you will see so many healers, so many doctors. You will find one healer in each home. Some people are very good in Ayurveda. They are advising herbal medicine. Some people very good in reflexology. Some people very good in, Reiki, angelic healing. So many actually. All are good, very good, excellent. So many doctors. If you compare today's era with past era, just few people were healing in those days. And in present moment, everyone is a doctor in some or the other way. If there are so many doctors, so many healers, then diseases or disease should reduce them. Patients should reduce them. But then why patients are increasing? We have so many researches, beautiful technology, medical science, alternative medicines. Then why we have patients So many patients. In everyone's home, there is a patient. Why? Why? Because in this present era, all people maximum are going away from the source, away from the root. And you know this. If you go far from the root, then your power is decreasing. Of course, yes, in action, when you are doing local activity, there is triurgent march past, there is triurgent rhythm. Yes, from neutro, from source, you go far, hetero, then partial neutro, then homo, and then neutro, complete neutro. This is activity. But at the same time, I want to tell you, when you go far, after neutro, there is hetero process, hetero. When you go far, you don't forget your roots. If there is hetero stage, if you're going far, it means source should also follow, or source is also in every step. In number one, source is there. In number two, source follows every step. You don't forget your root. You are progressing, but at the same time, source is also connected with you. So why we have lot of sufferings, diseases? Think sometime, think, meditate on this aspect, meditate. One sentence is enough for you to realize that if we are so knowledgeable, if we have so many doctors, then why patients are not reducing? Even in Sujok field now, you see, even in Sujok field, many people now, Sujok is spreading like a fire. Many Sujok doctors, many Sujok teachers, very good, accurate, excellent, you're excellent teacher, excellent doctor. But then why patients are not decreasing? It means then we should have less patient on the earth. Very simple conclusion is coming, because we are far from the real healer. Real healer, only he can heal. What do you think? Any therapy, you pick up any therapy, is this therapy helping you? Or do you have boast that my Sujok is wonderful, or my this therapy is wonderful? Who is giving result? He has implanted system in your body, in your mind, that you can heal yourself. Today, any therapy is responding you. It is responding you because he has fixed this system. Recovery system is there. That is why you are responding to treatment if it is correctly done. But then also majority not reaching final perfection in healing. Years are passing. You have devoted a lot of time to your knowledge, intellectuality, studying many subjects. And then one day, time will come. Today, whatever disease I have, doing many hard work, and one day time will come, and then he will say, finish, come. What you have achieved then? You couldn't touch your great healer? You couldn't touch your inner source. You couldn't touch your inner power. We have understood that human beings are blessed. So many times I say this sentence. Even if I'm repeating this every time, we should receive more depths behind this sentence. We learned from Professor Park Jeevu. So many times he said that human beings are blessed creation of Creator. Every time this sentence opens the depths. Now, bacteria, insect, they also have mind. Here, mosquito is here. One mosquito is here. Mosquito is also listening this lecture. They also hear. They also have mind. They also have sense. You are also listening lecture. Then who can understand? Who can use mind in best way? Who can use? Animal, puppy, walking. Also listening, tri-origin lecture. Who can understand better? Who can? Without understanding our self-existence, our purpose, our power, if we go away, if we go to his world through death channel, it means we have wasted our life, our human life. Big loss, big loss. Dog, cat, any example from, you can pick up from insect world, animal world, microorganism world. They also go to his world through death channel. Yes, then compare now. We were human being, we had mind, they also have mind. And in the moment of death, we are same. We had lot of opportunities, intellectuality in human being, and when we die, we have the same. Didn't achieve anything. Just like them, they're also taking care of their family. You see dog? Initially, when babies are young, dog is working with babies, taking care. Bird, you see, bird is building nest for babies. They're also taking, they also have family life. They also have social life. Their birds are flying in a flock. Same species working together. This is social life. They also have personal life. But compare their life with human life, more upgraded life. But the last essence, when we die, is same. Didn't achieve anything. Couldn't taste him. Couldn't realize his existence in our soul, mind, body, life. We couldn't realize. We should have this mission also in our life. That before we die, we should die like a human being, not like animal, because we are different. If we have done just for family, this is process. Personal life, we will study in tri-origin. Personal life, family life, social life. And I told you that all living beings have these 4 lives, but not very upgraded. So our life should be highly upgraded when you compare with these other living beings. No time, no time. And we are focusing. We are focusing. What is protocol for my knee pain? What is protocol for my headache? Initially, you need protocol because when you have headache, you couldn't understand anything. You couldn't taste him. Only for those local purposes, you need treatment. All these treatment, whatever you see in this world, different pattern of treatment, whatever you see, you are treating just simple local symptoms, present symptoms. But this is not real treatment, not real treatment. Just observe yourself. You are practicing many things. This disease, if you have not treated really, then this disease is still there now, still there with you. And now what happens? In then coming later years, what happened? You accept disease, finished. You accept, and then you are with medicines, and you continue your life with this acceptance. This is not our journey. I want to say this. This is very important message for everyone. You have to give time to yourself. And we will study also how to start and how to, because many knowledge is coming, but when we apply practically, we don't know what to do. We have very less time. Before we leave our body, we have to taste him in our existence. This taste sense of him only is with human being. It is not just prayer, everyday prayer. In temples, people are praying every day. Pandit, priests, every day, every moment, they are living inside the temple, inside the church. They are there always, but not enlightened, still not enlightened. And when they leave this world with suffering, they leave this world with suffering. Of course, some people are enlightened, of course. But I'm talking about common public. I'm not talking about higher consciousness people. We are working for common public. Some people gates are open already. Already. From the very beginning, from childhood, their gates are open. Like Professor Pachevu and many saints. Quickly they can reach, they can ascend. Many holy books are there. Saints, higher consciousness people, they wrote many beautiful, soulful, holy books. They tasted, they experienced, and they wrote. And now we are reading that book like a parrot. every word, whatever they have written, this has come out from soul experience. They have merged with him and they have written, they wrote those books. So we are just reading like a parrot. These books are tools for you to take you towards inner journey. Because when we are with higher consciousness people, or when we are with higher consciousness books, reading these books are tools, are steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps leading you towards higher journey or helping your consciousness to ascend. We should have very clear purpose why I am praying, why I am reading book. We should have clear purpose. Sometimes we are just doing as religious activity because we have fear that, oh, this is my morning routine. I have to pray because this is good sign. If I don't pray, then this is not good sign. It is required. Pray is meditate. When you feel connection with him, and then you realize yourself and other things. We will study this. We have very less time. This corona event has given big lesson, very big lesson, and still going on, still going on. Sometimes we get call that young person went because of corona. Not only this corona. Corona is just symbol, accidents, some disease, some natural calamities. Any moment, earthquake, any moment we can collapse. Age is not the criteria. We think, oh, let me finish my this world work, let me settle down, and then I will connect myself to spirituality. We are thinking like this. We don't have time. Money, social life, and all these thing activity, this should continue with your spirituality. If we die just in suffering sense, then our human life is a big waste. When you die in the last moment also, whether we are dying because of calamities or we are dying because of corona, death is not in your hand, my hand. Death is directly in his hand. Last moment, you have to prepare yourself from now that when we die, the last moment should be smiling. Because last moment is the final summary of your whole life. The last moment which you will carry is your account, is your baggage. And for this last moment, we have to prepare for from now. From now. Every step is contributing to your consciousness. Just one particle, last particle of your consciousness will have all information of your evolution, of your upgradation, and your property, your money, everything, finish. We have to carry that property, rich property. We have to invest in that field which we will carry with us. Real healer is inside. Source is inside. All discoveries, all healing systems have come from one point. Then why not touch this one point? Why not ascend and touch this one point? Why not touch this source? From this source, everything is coming. Why we are going here and there and this and that? Invest your time in reaching this one point, the greatest powerful point. How to reach this? Professor Park Jae-woo. We are so thankful to him that he gave us very systematic way to guide common person how to reach this point. Smile meditation. And this smile meditation is also not simple smile meditation. This is tri-origin smile meditation. If we understand tri-origin smile meditation, then Triajon says 4. 4. Then how many types of smile meditation? 4. 4 stages. 4 types and also 4 stages. One by one, one by one. To accomplish the grandest perfection of your self-realization, we need 4 stages. Because Professor Park Jae-woo was working for common public and very scientifically and very logically. Because it is not easy for everyone to reach this grand perfection. Only few people, enlightened people, could taste this. But Professor Park Jae-woo gave us the way. Let us understand this. To reach grand perfection, Professor Park Jae-woo introduced 4 stages of tri-origin smile meditation. Stage 1, neutral. Stage 2, we will understand this. Stage 2, hetero. Stage 3, homo. Stage 4, neutral. Before I start this, you should have clear purpose. First, according to your purpose, you will receive information from this webinar. What is your purpose? Treating yourself? Treating others? Self-realization? And also many purpose, local purpose also. Some suffering, yes, to be free from suffering. You have to be very, very determined mind that what is your purpose. And with purpose, you should sit and listen this class. Also, if whenever you are starting meditation, whenever you are starting smile meditation, you see purpose plus determination. I have this purpose, then with your determination, you are moving strong. And from the very beginning, you are sitting on the chair in front of your computer with this purpose. And if you are doing smile meditation, again, when I say close your eyes, or this is not smile. Smile meditation started now only. This is smile meditation. We are ascending. And when we close eyes, we are finalizing the session of smile meditation. Smile meditation. This session is smile meditation. We are ascending because knowledge and spirituality. So when I say smile meditation, what is the purpose? Some people just without purpose sitting in front of laptop because this time is there, this is routine, or this is part of subject, part of syllabus, because I am attending this class, I have to be on time, and just for this attending sake, switching on computer, switching on mobile and sitting now. No purpose. Just purpose that I have to finish my studies and I have to just whatever Triagen protocols are coming, I have to compile my drawings neatly and finish. From the very beginning, you should have very, very clear purpose. What is my mission? I know after studying 2-3 days, for 2-3 days, you will develop your purpose. First day you couldn't because we have not started smile meditation journey. But now in this day, today, you should plan your purpose. If you have purpose, then you're hearing this lecture, the sense, the hearing of lecture, that sense, the method, the pattern will change. Absolutely, you will change from the very beginning. Morning, early morning, when you get up, you have very clear purpose, why I am here, why I am attending this class. With this great purpose, you are taking shower, you are getting up, you're opening your laptop, you are not missing any opportunity. Every moment is excited, thrilled. This meditation starts from here. Purpose, clear purpose, clarity. And when you are with clarity, with your purpose, then many outside factors will come. And if you are clear with your purpose and you are with determination, then many outer obstacle coming cannot shake you because your purpose is clear and your determined mind to achieve your purpose. If just by chance opening laptop, sitting like this and just writing whatever notes are coming, writing, compiling, this again, and at the end of class, you don't know what you have achieved. Just you have achieved formulas, treatment formulas. So, 4 stages. Stage 1. Thanks to Professor Parkji, thanks to TriOrigin, could explain this subject in a simple way. Stage 1 of TriOrigin, smile meditation. This diagram you have to draw many times, because this diagram gives you the essence of his world and this world. This side is real world and this side is his world. Soul is here. Soul is here. Mind. I'm talking about stage 1. Whatever now I will speak is all regarding stage 1, TriOrigin smile meditation. Mind is here. Body. And then life. This is I. So your stage 1 is you have to accomplish I am originally smiling. And this I is composed of soul, mind, body, and life. Mind suffering, body suffering, life suffering. Professor Park Jae-woo gave many tools to help people to reach their mind smile perfection, to reach their body smile perfection. Before you go to stage 2, you have to accomplish all these steps in stage 1. As I told you that enlightened people can quickly go, but everyone, whoever has touched the grandest of perfection, have passed these stages, but they passed very quickly. Only this is the difference. You can think, name any name, any name. I will not say any name now, but I'm giving you some tip. Higher saints, they have crossed these 4 stages very quickly. We also have capacity to be enlightened. Only thing is, our consciousness is limited. We didn't know, and our journey is delayed. So if you miss any component, then you cannot ascend. So for this purpose, especially body and mind, Professor Park Jae-woo developed many tools to help people or help people to achieve body smile and mind smile. So now we should write mind smile meditation. Complete word. Mind smile meditation, body smile meditation, soul smile meditation, life smile meditation. These words are important. You should write in your notebooks so that this message stays with you. Life smile meditation. So Professor Park Jae-woo picked up this sector and this sector, he worked very hard for common public so that they can reach this pattern. But now what is actually many people already practicing, already many people without smile meditation, but they don't know the rules, they don't know the formula, Triogen smile meditation. Many people doing meditation in these days, many people, especially in present time, you will see this world is also going towards spirituality. This is the correct time to give correct direction. If they have already started their journey, then they should have correct guidelines. After studying this, you will understand there are variety of meditations in this world, many types of meditation. And then after studying this full subject, you will understand that this, because all these meditation belongs to tri-origin world, but they are scattered. This, some people just doing mantra, some people just doing dancing, some people just doing closing eyes and just practicing and just with soul consciousness. Some people going to Himalaya, some people just singing, dancing, meditating, sun meditation, like this. So many variety of meditations, guided meditations. But now this Triogen is compiling beautifully. We have to understand that in which category we are doing meditation. If you are practicing any kind of meditation, you should know where you are standing in Triorigin world. In Triorigin, from Triorigin eyes, which pattern you are practicing. And also you should know if you are practicing any pattern among all, any one, then don't be satisfied with that one, because your final realization will come only when you know complete four. Otherwise, we are just, you can imagine, four means two arms, two legs, four extremities. If you are practicing one kind of meditation, it is like just one arm, left arm, but missing three limbs. Of course, yes. One pattern can become the leader in your practice. We cannot do all meditation in one time. There are so many varieties. You cannot do all patterns in one time. But after knowing, after understanding complete scenario, complete pattern of meditation, Triogen meditation, you are very clear, very clear where I need to do improvement. If your journey is, you feel your journey is delayed. So this is study of stage 1. Professor Park Chewu, out of 4, he picked up body and mind first. Body and mind are like couple, husband and wife. Mind, hetero, body, homo. He introduced many tools. Now, you will understand if you are using any tools, you will understand in which category you are. He introduced in body smile meditation, he introduced smile gymnastic, yes, smile yoga, smile tai chi, smile samvan gong, samvan dong, to achieve body smile, to smilized physical particles of self. We have physical particles, we have metaphysical particles, we have superfine metaphysical particles, and also we have this his particle. And yesterday you understood that behind all particles, physical particles, metaphysical particle, physical particle, and life particle. Yes, life particle are here, soul particles are here, mind particle, body particles. Behind every particle, his particle is there. This is his particle behind every particle. So when you understand, now we will just focus body. Body means your body has cell, yes. Every organ, each organ is composed of cell. You have body of cell body. Your cell has mind, your cell has soul. Today, if disease has come in any organ, it can be knee, it can be shoulder, it can be liver, it can be heart, brain. It means body of that organ is destroyed or it is in disharmony. That body, physical world particles and physical world particles, in that particle, triorgan rhythm is missing. Disease means triorgan rhythm is missing. To recover, to resume this triorgan rhythm, Professor Park Chewu introduced this kind of triorgan, as I told you, gymnastic or tai chi, smile tai chi, like this, body movement, and smile dance also, like smile dance. Because here we are doing some kinds of movement with triorgan pattern, rhythmic pattern. So we are creating triorgan alignment in physical world. And then when we talk about this body, physical movements, all your walking, if you are doing any exercise, yoga, all comes here for your fitness, walking, exercise, yoga, tai chi, all comes here, dancing, and some people say that I do exercise every day, I do dance every day. In movies, actor, actress dancing every day. In parties, you are dancing. In marriage, you are dancing. But then why you are not enlightened? If dancing or exercise or yoga or tai chi can give can give you perfection, then many people, those who are dancing and doing exercises and doing yoga, still they couldn't reach perfection. Why? Then why they are suffering? They say, every day I am doing yoga, every day I am doing exercise. Then why you are suffering then? Why? Because missing, doing, walking. Even let's pick up simple thing from this activity world. Body, when we talk about body, this is activity, body activity. So let's say walking. Everyone is doing walking. Yes, when you go for a morning walk and you say, I do 1 hour, 2 hour walk like this, but why? Still, there is suffering in body because they are doing walking with stiffness, with rigidity, no smile, no joy, no triorgan rhythm, and no awareness of body, cell body, no awareness that you have million and billions of cell, and these cells also have body, and this body is composed of atoms. Atoms are moving every time, moving continuously. They are moving very beautifully in triorgan rhythm, but because of our jerks, because of our, you know, uh, disorganized movement, this internal movement and external movement not matching, not matching. That is why there are some people, very good dancers, very, very good dancers, but not enlightened at all. Sometimes we are moving or dancing just for show off, like actor and actress. They are dancing every day, but they are not enlightened. Their purpose is earning money, show off. No awareness of inner power, no awareness of those cells. They are not dancing for themselves, they are dancing for others. So when you do walk, when you move, when you do walk, you should do it with joy, with smile, with rhythm. This joy, this Professor Park Ji also introduced joyful walking. Joyful walking. We are connected, we are talking on phone and walking because I have to see the watch and I have to reach this mission. I have done 2 hours walking. So walking, doing lots of exercises and then sweating, and they say, oh, I did walking, I did exercises. No awareness of smile and no awareness of multiple cells here, multiple cell body, no awareness. So that is why in Smile Meditation, in Professor Park Jewu seminar, he used to start with body smile meditation. Body smile meditation. Move your body. Even if you're doing small step, if you cannot do big exercises, yes, exercises is of course required to melt your fat, but it is not your meditation. It cannot fulfill your meditation because exercises are just exercise, not meditation. If you do simple movement, just simple movement, even if you don't know Tai Chi, even if you don't know many big techniques, simple dance or just simple movement with a rhythm, with a flow, with inner bliss, with triorgan rhythm, with awareness, with complete awareness of each cell, and you are moving. Be aware of each cell moving in your existence. Liver's body cell, liver cell body, not mind, liver cell body. Body of liver with this awareness. My stomach body, my brain body, your brain also has body. Your lung body with this awareness. When you move with this awareness, movement with this awareness can open, can expand your inner territory towards Him. We will do also practically. This is online class. For the first time, I'm taking this smile meditation online. But we have to experience offline also. If He gives us opportunity, if we are intended, if we have collective intention, we have to experience all 4 stages lively, face to face. Someday, He will organize, maybe. We can have some get together. I will invite all of you. We will select some suitable time, dates. You all can come and we will experience also. At the same time, don't think that you couldn't come so you couldn't experience, you will miss the opportunity. No. If you're determined mind, with the online class also you can touch grand perfection. So body, we are focusing each step. This is just stage 1, and just in stage 1 also we are focusing branch. Now beautiful thing is, let's understand. This body, when we are focusing body movement with rhythm, because body and mind are together like husband and wife, like yin and yang. So if body territory reaches perfection, rhythm, bliss, this opens, this body gate opens towards mind world, towards mind world. We will understand this. If you compare territory of body and mind, which territory is big? Body territory is big or mind territory is big? Mind territory is big. Yes, to go to soul, you have to accomplish these 2 territories. So, body territory, if body is smiling, body starts smiling in that rhythm, your mind territory is open and you enter very naturally to mind world. Professor Park Chewu gave very simple technique. Sometimes we don't need to do separate meditation for mind. Naturally, automatically you are in mind territory. That bliss flows in your mind and your mind capacity increases. There are many kinds of people with different kinds of consciousness. Some people very easily through mind they can enter top. Some people through body they can enter top. It depends. People who say that my mind is very hetero, I cannot meditate, then you cannot tell that person to sit and just say meditate, meditate, meditate. Oh, this person cannot meditate because mind is hetero. So Professor Park Jeevu guided. If mind is not behaving or not helping you to meditate, then first do movement meditation, body movement meditation. Mind is very naughty. This mind is very naughty. Character of mind is movement, changing. So, husband and wife, then this body should do something to attract this mind. This is body, but mind is going here and there. Mind is going here and there. Out, out, out. What I should do then? My mind is going here and there. Mind likes movement. Mind like change. How? Then, if you do rhythmic, harmonized, neutro or systematic body movements, mind says, oh wow, movement. And then mind come back. Mind come back. And then mind is aligned with body. Mind becomes aligned with body. This is beautiful. Harmonization of mind and body. We have to understand this in Triarjun pattern. Body smile meditation, mind smile meditation. So these two components are vice versa. You can start with mind and you can end up with body and finally both combined. Or you can start with body and then mind naturally joins and they both become one. They both become one. Your mind and body should reach this oneness. In this moment, when you are hearing this lecture, you can feel this oneness. You should know where I'm standing, on which tip I'm standing now. Your body is here in front of your computer, but your mind is inside your body listening the lecture, not going here and there. But when I say mind is going here and there, and when mind gets this pop-up and mind is going here and there. This is also meditation. Only thing is, in this oneness condition, we have to add rhythm, triurgent rhythm, and smile. Also another way, you have to reach this oneness, also another way. Some people, through mind, they can reach this oneness. For example, yes, two ways. How to invite mind. Please stay with me. Homo says. Wife says, husband, please stay with me. Spend some time with me. So body is doing this kind of rhythm actions and mind is joining them. You have to impress mind. Body should, you know, I'm not talking about you or I'm talking about body. Your body should do something to impress mind. The other way is mind. Body is not helping. Some people just want to sit. No walk, no exercise. Yes. So how to invite this body movement? Previous case, body was moving. Previous case, body was moving and body movement, rhythmic body movement invited mind. Now in second case, this body, no movement, and now with the help of mind, we will invite body. Professor Park Jehu in this field also introduced mantras, mudras, all these mantras, mudras, and other things Also musics, also very attractive music to impress mind. I can give you example. You go to marriage, you attend one marriage party, yes, and you uh, your friends say let's dance, and you say no, I don't want to dance. No, I don't like dancing. I don't like dancing at all. But then some interesting music which is your taste, yes, matching with your taste, when it comes, you start tapping your foot. Maybe like this, simple. When your mind touches this bliss, or when your mind is aligned with that music, yes, harmony comes in mind, mind becomes activated, and then very easily you will see, even if you don't like dance, you start doing like this. You know, dogs, when dog mind is happy, when dog mind is happy, they move their tail. Movement comes naturally, rhythmic. Their tail, they are moving their tail rhythmically. But the difference is between dog and us, they don't have smile realization. They are not smiling, though they also have smile particle inside, but realization is not there. But with our mind, we have realization. With the awareness of this kind of mind, awareness. Mind particles. What we are adding? Smile and awareness. So, because now you are doing for self, with the awareness that your every organ also has mind. What is this awareness? Like body, I told you that here, what was the awareness? That every organ has body. Stomach shape is body of that organ. Shape, this is just body. Atom world. Here you have realization that every living structure, living component has soul, mind, body, life. So how many minds you have? Sometimes you think that when I say, where is mind? You are saying here. Yes, this is just symbol. Your brain, your nervous system is representation of your complete mind. This is not complete. Just brain is not complete mind. In each cell, because cell is living being, you came in mother's womb. You came in mother's womb. Your journey started with one cell. Don't you think? Your cell, that one cell had mind, body, soul, life. So your each cell has mind also. Here you confirmed, you observed that my each cell has body, and your mission, your awareness is giving rhythm. When you are dancing, you are with the body of all organs, liver body, stomach body, heart body, knee body, elbow body, eyes body, thyroid body, ovaries body, spine body, not just one body. You should have awareness. Just this awareness can lead your consciousness to go towards all bodies of yourself. Your awareness is a leader. Wherever awareness goes, the wave of smile, the rhythm of triorigin follows and it reaches every part, all bodies. You have many bodies, not just one body. That is why we are sick today, because we just see one body. Many cells, billions and billions of bodies you have. This outer body is a representation of complete body. You have to understand the meaning of complete body, absolute body. Okay? So here in this case, you are aware with multiple million and billions of mind in your existence. Your mind is not here. Your mind is everywhere. In fingertip also you have mind. In the nail you have mind. In the hair you have mind. Every part of your body, every organ, each cell has mind. So if you have to be aware, this knowledge is so important. If this is just mastermind, if your mastermind is angry, then millions and billions of mind inside you also become angry. And body follows the mind. If millions of cell mind become angry or sad or anxious, then all bodies will follow mind, because husband wife, they will stay together, they will fight also, and they will stay together. This is quality of husband and wife. They cannot separate. So all these bodies will follow anger mind. As a result, anger wave or anger energy or sadness wave or sadness energy will flow and come in all bodies of cell. All cell bodies will receive this anxiety, sadness, or anger flow. It travels quickly, very quickly, to even to the nail of your big toe. So strong connection, very strong connection. So Professor Parkji introduced many tips, especially mantras, mudras, to impress mind, to engage mind, to make busy. Mind is busy all the time. Our intention is to make busy in correct direction. If you add triorigin vibration in your mind is aligned. Mind is hetero. Professor Park Jae-woo said, triorigin is dancing. If mind is hetero, but with smile, this mind can become neutral also. Body can also become neutral. Neutral is everywhere, as you understood yesterday. Neutral can reach anywhere. So he introduced mind, and we will practice this also. We should be very clear. Only if I say, okay, move your body, you couldn't, because maybe then you are checking your mobile, your messages, and then some tea, coffee drinking, and some talking, because you are not with purpose. You don't know the rule. Our journey is towards him, and we cannot come here until we are harmonized here. Soul. Then how to reach soul. Body, you have to reach body rhythm. You have to reach beautiful smile rhythm, beautiful body rhythm, triurgin rhythm with the awareness. And when you are aware with smile, with your movement, every movement, this smile wave is reaching all small bodies inside you. And as a result, your complete body from top to toe becomes smiling. If you succeed only in one, not difficult. Yes, someone asked that, how I cannot meditate. Okay, then it means this body smile meditation is good for you. If you succeed in one, this will naturally join. Mind smile will join. If you're dancing rhythmically, naturally, your mind becomes calm, peace, smile. And if your mind is merged with very beautiful rhythmic mantra or rhythmic music, your body naturally starts moving. If you achieve any one, so don't worry. If you couldn't meditate with closed eyes, don't worry. You can start with body smile meditation, but with awareness of smile and triurgin rhythm. You are aware, you are doing it with inner awareness. Inner. Body means when you are dancing, that is why you are different when you compare yourself with dancers, actor and actress dancing on the stage. This is different, completely different. In this dance, you are aware, you are loving your body, you're loving your liver body, you're loving your heart body. This is absolutely different from routine dancing. You're dancing for yourself. If one time you do this kind of body smile meditation with awareness, singing, dancing, moving, many diseases can melt in this. Many diseases can melt in this pattern. After doing this, and it is not necessary that you do lots of very complicated movement, just from head to toe, feel the movement of cell moving inside, atoms are moving. Movement is symbol of life. Your external body is moving or not. If you are alive, then all are moving, all atoms are moving. So in this condition, mind joins. Mind joins. Or some people are very good with mind meditation. They're chanting mantras, or we have so many mantras in our religion. Okay? So we are chanting mantras and mind reach perfection. But then you have to be very clear with the purpose. After this, what next? What next? Okay, I've reached perfection, then what next? What next? You should be very clear. Are you doing just for bliss? Yes, bliss is small part of your journey. But we have very high purpose. Actually, whether this is dance or mudra or mantra or any tip you have in this world, finally, when you are aligned and when you move up, when body and mind become aligned, you don't need to focus soul. You don't need to focus soul because alignment of body with mind. When mind is inside body, when body is merged with mind, when you are aware, now mind is not here and there, mind is inside body. In mind, you are smiling. In body, you are smiling. Mind and body in one place together, merged and smiling. Then your territory expands. Body territory is small, mind territory is big. When your body and mind territory merges, your inner capacity becomes big. And your territory becomes big. Where is him? He is here. And he can be realized not in shape. Never imagine him in shape. Because we are composed of soul, mind, body, life, and soul is his shadow, and soul is part of him. And if we exist here representing soul, mind, body, life, it means we have all these territories inside us. Physical body, you see, this is big body. Our mind territory is bigger than this shape, this body. Our soul territory is more bigger than this shape. And beyond soul is life, is him, is beyond, territory is this. Then this is infinity symbol. You have to reach this capacity, infinity symbol, this capacity. This is ascending. So this cannot happen until you harmonize your mind and body, until you cross all the hurdles of mind and body. This cannot happen. But then Professor Park Jeevu said, don't worry, don't focus on soul, don't focus on him. How it will happen? If your mind and body is aligned, then space is increasing. Yes, because you are reaching calm stage, you're reaching calmness, your space is increasing, 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 increasing. I can see one question in chat box, how to do it. Of course, yes. We are towards that journey, but if you are writing, it means your mind is going different direction. If you are with the flow, naturally answer will come. Naturally you will reach the perfection. I am teaching you to open your capacity. Open your capacity. And when mind and body aligned, soul naturally opens. And opening of soul means not opening petals of soul, as I always say, when mind and body are aligned, soul petal open. This meaning is opening of soul capacity. Territory is increasing. Territory is increasing, increasing, increasing. We will understand this after doing now body smile meditation. We will do now. Be ready. I will put one music. Yes, stay with the flow. We are here to experience. Without experience, you cannot understand. And in this time, you should not write also. Recordings are there, you can write. Just surrender. Writing, it means you are using your mind extra. We are trying to align mind with body to cool mind with, so that mind is aligned with the body. But if we are writing now, it means lot of extra work. Okay, so I'm giving you 1 minute to prepare yourself. I will prepare yourself, find good place, If you want silence in your room, you can close the door of your room also. Don't feel shy when you move your body. You have to understand this. I'm teaching you so many. That is why I said that in this webinar, there are many participants and each participant will pick up as per their level of consciousness. They will pick up as per their understanding. Some people, they have understood the core point, core point. So I'm putting some music. Be ready. Searching music for you. Preparation is important. Determination is important. You have to be determined that why now, why you are doing this body smile meditation. This music is discovered by Professor Park Jain. His music had a great purpose. He never invented or discovered just for enjoyment. He had mission because he was open and aligned to him. That is why all information coming to him was with a purpose, had purpose. So this music can activate your body smile and also can activate your life smile. Now, first be ready. Prepare your mind, prepare your body. If your mind is not ready, okay, prepare your body. And just focus and listen this music. Slowly, slowly, move your body. Slowly, slowly. Some participants can old participants, open your video and show your movement. Just move. You can open your videos, not audios. We have to match this rhythm. You can open your videos and merge with the movement. This movement from outside looks very subtle, but you are aware with the body of all organs. Start with your head. I hope you can hear music. Start with your face. Your brain has body. Your eyes, nose, lip, ear, all this has body. This learning will add great contribution to your future dances, your yogas, all gymnastic, all exercises. After this moment, your dancing, your yoga, your exercises, awareness will be new because adding smile and rhythmic movement. Wow, this time you are not doing for public. You are doing for yourself. face is smiling. Appear on video. Don't hesitate. Don't feel shy. This is great opportunity because this is collective group smile meditation. It gives great power. Nobody is looking you. We all are with our journey. We are very clear, we have determination. We have purpose. Our journey is towards Him. Before we meet Him, we have to cross this body and mind. Head, body is dancing. So many cells inside the head are dancing. Don't feel shy. Move your body. This movement is not simple. This is awareness with awareness. Your neck. So many millions of cells here in the neck. You have so many bodies here. And I'm moving my neck. Front, back, left, right. With the awareness. With smile. All multiple bodies here are dancing rhythmically. My neck is moving. Movement is symbol of life. Nature is changing. From summer, from spring to summer, from summer to autumn, from autumn to winter, and from winter to spring. Leaves shedding, and then trees growing, flowers growing. This is movement. Atoms are moving. Universe is moving. Galaxy is moving. Then why we are not moving? All are moving with rhythmic pattern, triurgent pattern. Seasons are moving with triurgent pattern. Galaxies, sun, moon, stars, they are following triorigin pattern. Today, we are moving. Yesterday also I was moving, but today's movement is different from yesterday's movement. We are moving with the awareness, feeling Him inside us. He is inside us. Our destination is clear. After perfection of body smile, mind smile, naturally we will go up. Your chest now. Your awareness is going towards chest. From outside, your movements look very slow. But inside, all cells are moving now. Your master body and your cell body movement are matching now. Your heart has body. When you move rhythmically, body of heart is also now dancing. Is there cholesterol? Is there any blockage in heart? Oh, there is missing of triurgin rhythm, triurgin movement in heart. Movement with the awareness, dancing with the awareness. Your lungs. Do you have cough? Do you have allergies? Do you have asthma? Bring in wide, recover, resume. tri-origin rhythm in the movements of lung body. Lung, many cells are moving. Bile is flowing. Align your march past with tri-origin march past. Sometimes, some people, their body starts showing good expression of dance. You can stand, you can lie down, you can dance. Because I'm teaching, I couldn't do this, but you are free. You are free to do any movement with awareness and rhythm. La 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 la. Arms are coming out from chest. Your arms also have body, external and internal. There are so many cells in the arm. And then all body, all cell body of arms are smiling and dancing. If today you have wrist pain, elbow pain, shoulder pain, because they don't have tri-origin rhythm here, just move. La 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 la. Allow this movement, allow this flow come in your arms with your awareness. Wherever your awareness is going, smile, and tri-origin rhythm is going in that part of your chest, arm, head, neck. La la la. Your smile is very special smile in this moment. La 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 la. You are with the dance of cells. Recover smile of yourself. Your diaphragm line now, moving. Focus your diaphragm. And then when you go next step, is carry forward of previous step. Your head, neck, shoulder, wrist, elbow, chest, all together, movement, all movements going, adding, you're adding one by one. Now diaphragm. On the level of diaphragm, left, right, full movement. But here you are aware. You're not imagining anything, just with the flow. Above diaphragm, you are fully activated. Your head, neck, chest, arms, diaphragm line, even your nails, everywhere, sparkling cells, with the core of existence spirit inside each cell. Light is increasing. As it switch on, tri-origin light, the every cell. La, 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 la. From outside, it looks as if only arm moving, but you are aware. Your head moving, your neck moving, your chest moving, diaphragm line moving. And then next is abdomen. This rhythm, beautiful triorgan movement, this rhythm, triorgan march part. Now next is abdomen. La 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 la. So many cells in abdomen. You have stomach cell body, liver cell body, pancreas cell body, intestine cell body, uterus body, ovaries body, genitals body. Give love. You know, when someone taps you, you feel so good. When someone touches you with love, you feel so good. But you never had time to tap body of your organs? In our busy routine, we just forgot. Your awareness is tapping body of your organs. Loving tapping. I'm with you. I care for liver body. I care for stomach body. I care for uterus body. If any disease in any sector of body, abdomen, just allow your awareness with love and smile and tap the body of that area. This triorgan rhythm. Your awareness is going towards legs. Joint, upper legs, knee, lower leg, foot, toe, nails. Millions and billions of your cells, millions cells in your body sparkling now. Now, when there is beautiful movement in any sector, not inside body, but outside also, when you move, it creates vibration. It's vibration. But it depends what kind of vibration you are creating. Triorgan vibration, smile vibration, and now back. Let's go to back. Oh, spine also has body. Your occipital, back head, back neck, cervical has body. La 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 la. Tapping with love. How you caress your baby with love. How you caress your puppy, dog, pet with love. You're touching their body with love. And what happens? When you touch their body with love, their mind opens. Their mind gets bliss. Please smile. when you are touching body of each cell with love and smile, mind of that cell is opened. Rhythmic body can invite mind smile naturally now. All cells mind, because now million and billions of cells marching in same pattern and same direction. In our daily routine, we do lot of movement, but our mind here and there, body not matching. Liver body, liver movement, different direction. Brain movement, different direction. Uterus cells movement, different direction. No matching, no alignment. What is healing? One good dance can heal you. And what is good dance? This dance is not professional dance. The awareness of millions and billions of cells. Your body is dancing. So many bodies. You are caretakers of so many bodies. You have many babies inside. La la la, la 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 la. And now you are not focusing just one body. You can see yourself with multiple bodies. Eye body, nose body, chest body, abdomen body, arms body, legs body. All bodies now dancing in one rhythm. Wow. And body smile is activated. Mind smile joins naturally. Don't feel shy. Participate. Soul is about to come. Stay determined mind. Stay with purpose. This experience, and also this experience should come part of your life. So next time when you dance, or next time in alone room, when you dance or move your body, close your room and do this meditation. Put on any music or professor music I will give in the group, and move your body to fullest perfection with awareness of multiple cells. My toe is alive, check. My ankle is alive, check. My knee is alive, check, check, check. If alive, then your ankle also has soul. Your toe also has soul. Your capacity is increasing. And when body and mind joining together, so capacity increases. Because soul is part of him, and he is with tri-origin consciousness. In zero world there is tri-origin rhythm. In zero world there is tri-origin march past. If your mind and body is aligned with tri-origin smile, soul capacity increases as if tunnel opening, gate opening. And then Your consciousness in this rhythm, because door is widely open, and in this condition, when you reach this merging point where body and mind are aligned, in that moment, when this door opens, that is why I make picture every time, soul gate open. And when gate opens, beyond is there. And this soul capacity expands, 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 and then your outer movements become very subtle. Very subtle. Your movements, because soul, very subtle, calm, silent. There is movement in soul, but also very calm. Your movements become calm. That is if your mind is helpful. You can do very good movements of body, good sweating, good dance with rhythm and awareness. In that moment, mind and body becomes one. Slowly, slowly, your movements become very slow. This is expression of soul wave. Door open, open, open. Soul gate open. Your chin go up, up, up. Because you know that drawing, you know that picture we are drawing again and again in the class. Through this soul gate, we enter his territory. Meeting him, merging with him, our real beloved. Sometimes, when we meet him with full awareness, full realization that we are, he's here. Sometimes tears come. Meeting him, merging with him. I am smiling. This smile is very mature smile. This smile is not just lip corner going up. This smile is complete realization. My soul, my mind, my body. And when soul, mind, body, him, all become aligned, then life smile appears. And when life smile appears, this life smile is reflected when you open eyes, when you do actions, when you do works. Take your time. to open your eyes. Because with this realization, with this smile, you have to do your activities. You have to do all your household work, office work, carrying the information inside you. You have mind, body, soul, not just outer body and outer mind, but multiple bodies, multiple minds, multiple souls, and all become one as one package. Take your time. Continue your smile. Carry this smile in your daily activities. When you meet your friends, family, society, neighbors, office, here and there, carry this realization because every step is important. In next step, in next phase, there will be another step, new step, and each previous step, realization should be there with coming new steps. Smile, thank you so much for your participation. See you today, 4:30 p.m. in India time.